The world's fastest growing humanitarian crisis, as thousands of Rohingya refugees are spending a fourth night stranded near the border with Bangladesh.
On the way, we saw many dead people, their heads and limbs chopped off. The slaughter took place house by house.
A bullet killed my father when he went to the market during last year's violence. This time they burned my mother. I was terrified and I hid in a paddy field when I saw a big group of people walking towards me. I joined that group and came here.
Born on a riverbank, he first opened his eyes to see a cruel world in which it seems there's no place for him or the other Rohingya Muslims. I begged God to save us, her husband Mohammed tells me. We hadn't eaten for 2 days and she went into labor. I don't know what will happen to my baby now. He's so fragile.
And Allah will ask on the day of judgment, who did this to you? Who did this to you? Who put you in this situation? And Allah will also ask, and who came to your aid? And you are presented with a people in distress. You need them as much, if not more, than they need you. What does it mean to actually be the answer to someone's prayer? How beautiful is it when that person raises their hands to the skies for you?